Today I'm making a white chocolate dessert dip. First I'm going to add 1 box of instant white chocolate pudding mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Then mix that up until the pudding thickens. Next I'm going to add a 10-ounce can of vanilla frosting. Then mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to make some whipped cream to add to the dip, so in a bowl I have a half a cup of heavy cream and I'm going to whip that up until stiff peaks form. Then add the whipped cream to the dip and fold it in. Next I'm going to add the dip into the center of this star tray. And I'm going to sprinkle some red sprinkles on top. Next I'm going to add the dipper, so first I'm going to add some graham crackers. Then I'm going to add some raspberries. Next I'm going to add some cantaloupe. Then I'm going to add some strawberries. Lastly, I'm going to add some pineapple. Here's an up-close look at the tray.